Hello students, once again welcome you all to Narayana Live classes. Today we are going to discuss the solution for one more worksheet in the mathematics dated 1st July. We are discussing the chapters knowing our numbers. Today's topic is about the brackets, how to write the numbers in brackets. If an expression is denoted, how to write in the bracket, and simplification we are discussing, as well as Roman numerals. Today's first problem, write the following expression using brackets. You should mention in bracket. Okay. The first one here, 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. Clear students? Because if you are not putting the bracket, the sum will be different. That's why you should use bracket here. Similarly, divide the difference of 18 and 6 by 4. Divide the difference of 18 and 6. Difference of 18 and 6 by 4. And the next one is 45 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. 45 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. 3 times 3 into, or you can without writing symbol also you can write, or 3 into you can mention. Three times of sum of 3 and 2. Clear students? Now discuss the solution for this, which is equal to 4 into, first bracket value should simplify, 9 plus 2 it is 11, 4 11s are 44. Similarly here also, 18 minus 6 how much? 18 minus 6 it is 12 by 4. We have to answer as 4 3 times it will go, the answer is 3. And here also 45 by, first you solve the bracket, 3 into 3 plus 2 it is 5. Okay, can cancel students, 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9. So here also the answer is 3. Now if it is clear students, now we'll discuss the solution for second one. Write the 3 different situations for 5 plus 8, this is in the bracket, into 3. So for this we have to write how many situations? 3 different situations. Okay students? So situations you can write on your own also. Okay? Situations you can write on your own. So here we are considering 3 situations as an example. Any name you can take. Suresh and Rajesh bought 5 notebooks and 8 notebooks, and the cost of each notebook is 6. How much money they spent together to buy notebook? So this situation only you can write like this: 5 notebooks and 8 notebooks. So 5 plus 8, and the cost of each notebook is 6. So 5 plus 8 into 6. Now situation number 2. Vijay and Ajay drink 5 and 8 glasses of buttermilk. Okay, so that 5 plus 8 we should make, that's why 5 and 8 glasses of buttermilk every day. How many glasses of buttermilk do they drink in a week except Sunday? So in a week if you are considering, there are how many days? 7 days was there. Except Sunday means how many days? 6 days. So 6 days in the sense 5 plus 8 into 6. The condition came. Okay. Similarly you can write many situations, you can write different names also. Now we will discuss the situation number 3. Navya and Kavya purchased 5 and 8 balls respectively. So 2 members again here, 5 they are buying balls. 1 member is buying 5 balls, another member is buying 8 balls. The cost of each ball is rupees 6. So how much money they spent together to purchase the ball? Together means how many balls was there? 5 plus 8. Cost of each ball is 6. So 5 plus 8 into 6. This condition will come. Clear students? Now we will discuss the third problem. Write the Roman numeral for the followings. Roman numerals, I hope you all learned clearly. The Roman numeral for the value 10 is like X, capital X. For 50 it is capital L. And for 100 it is capital C. And 500 it is capital D. And for 1000 it is capital M. Okay? Already you have read in this your previous lower classes also, I think 5th class also it was the Roman numeral. For 10 it is X, for 50 it is L, for 100 it is capital C, and for 500 it is capital D, and for 1000 it is capital M. Now we'll discuss the solution for the fourth problem. write in Roman numeral. Just now we saw the basics in the previous question. 73. So first I want to write 73 in Roman numeral. I will write 73 50 plus 20 plus 3. Because this, then like this only we can able to write. I know you all know the rules for writing. So you can write it as 50. How we can write? It is L. 20 means 10 10. 3 means 3 times of 1. This is the Roman numeral for 73. And the next one, it is 92. 92 how we can split? 92 90 plus 2. 90 how we can write? 90 how we can write? 100 minus 10. Which means 100 is what? C. Minus 10 means you should write like this. So now it is 90 and 2. It is 92. Clear students? Right. Then now the other one is 759. 759. 759 how we can write? 700 plus 50 plus 9. 700 also we can write as 500 plus 200. Okay? 500 plus 200. 500 plus 200 plus 50 plus 9. Clear students? 759 how we can write? 500 7 8. Can write as 500 plus 200 plus 50 plus 9. Okay. Now this 500 how we can write? Direct value for 500. What is the direct value? It is D. D for 500. What about 200? 2 times you have to write 100. Okay. What is the 100 here? 100 C. So 2 times C. Next 50 how we can write? 50 it is L. And 9 how we can write? 10 minus 1. So you write as so this is the Roman numeral for the number 759. Now discuss the last problem, students. Before the previous problem, we are writing the normal numerals to Roman. Here, Roman numerals to normal Indo-Arabic numerals we have to convert. Okay. The first one is how we can convert this. Students, the order is very important in this Roman numeral. Okay. First is 10, next 50, 100, 500, 1000. That order should be most important. Here it is 10. And write it as 10. Here 1 is there. Always the greater number should be in the front. Greater number is 5. If it is coming like this, means it is 5 minus 1. So you can write as plus 5 minus 1. You don't know 4th class means you write 4. So same man. So we will get as 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Clear students? Similarly, second solution we will solve CL. Okay? You know that C is nothing but 100, L is nothing but 50. So you can write directly 100 plus 50 plus, again here same as here, 4 how we write like this, it is 9. 10 minus 1. It is 10 minus 1. So we will get as 100 plus 50 plus 9. The answer is 159. Clear students? So this is the solution for the last solution. Here C and D is coming. C is how much? 100. D is how much? C is how much? C is L is 50. C is 100. D is 500. So if greater number is coming, so you should write like this: greater number and small number. Small number and greater number. How will you do for 9, 10 minus 1, like that only here also. 500 minus 100. 500 minus 100. And again here it is 10 minus 1. Again here it is 5. So now here 500 minus 1 is 400 plus 10 minus 1 it is 'So that is a small mistake in the question. That numeral we cannot able to write in the Hindu numerical system. Okay. So write like this. That last 5 we can cancel this. You will get here 500 minus 100 plus 10 minus 1. You get 400 plus 9. You get 409. Clear, students? Thank you everyone.